Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Okay, good. Yesterday we were studying about a lesson. What is name of our lesson? Pretty as a picture. There are students in the school. School begins and there comes a new teacher, and when new teacher meets students, she introduces herself. ती काय करते? टीचर नवीन टीचर काय करते? What is name of the teacher? The name of the teacher is Miss Nina. Miss Nina is new teacher in the school, and she told that every week on the last period of Friday I will be telling you stories, right? And then when she said I will tell you story, everyone was excited, and for whole week they were waiting for the last last period of Friday. All students were waiting. Then what happened? I told you, then teacher told that when I entered into the class, I saw all things are lying down. Please clean your class. After then students started cleaning the class, right? After cleaning class, then they said, teacher, we are ready to hear story. Then teacher told that you people yourself are too much untidy. You have not wore your clothes properly. Your tie is out. Your shirts are not tucked in. Your girls are putting two plaits on. Your hair are undone. So they students started making their tie proper, belt proper, correct or not? Your tie, your belts are askew. Askew means not straight, correct or not? One word has come in the lesson, askew. What is meaning of word askew? Askew means not straight, not straight, correct? Then she said, teacher told that your ribbons are undone. Your ribbons are undone means untied. Correct or not? Undone means what? Undone means untied. In this way, a teacher is telling that you have to keep yourself also clean and your classroom also clean. Then what students are doing? Students are cleaning their classroom as well as they are keeping themselves tidy. They are doing their clothes proper, they are doing their hair proper, they are keeping their decks proper. Then what happened further, that we will study today. Okay. Now here it is told, anything for the story we thought. What students thought? Anything for the story we thought, and as quickly as possible we tied ourselves up. Immediately they started tying their hair. If their hair were not proper, then they started preparing their hair proper. They did their tie proper. They made their tie belt proper. Shirt was not proper. They made their shirt proper. Everything they did for what? They did for the last period's story. Now just imagine one period is of 30 minutes in our school, right? 35 minutes. एक पिरियड जर 35 मिनिट्सचा जर असला तर तुम्ही त्याच्यामधून जर 5 minutes if you will waste for cleaning class, 5 minutes you will waste for cleaning your bag, 5 minutes if you will waste for keeping yourself tidy. If your hair are not proper, if your clothes are not proper, you will take 5 minutes for that. 15 minutes went. So what? Something is interesting further. Now you just imagine, teacher is telling them to clean everything, but is there any time for her story? That we will see further. Anything for the story we thought, and as quickly as possible we tied ourselves up. We kept asking the kids around us to tell us if we were looking tidy enough. No mirrors in the classroom, you know, but this silly Shirin's plaits was all undone. Plaints are there, correct or not? Plaints are there. They are putting two ponies, girls. Shirin is a girl and her hair are not proper. Sonia had to do it all over again for her and tie the bow too. Then there was a friend, Shirin's hair were not proper. Then what Sonia did? Sonia made her own hair proper, and after making her own hair proper, she made Shirin's hair proper by tying a bow, B-O-W, bow. Okay. Now what happened? One last thing. Now something teacher is telling. One last thing. Miss Nina said, you will be in a hurry when the story is over. So how about putting away all your things into your bags right now? all the books, all notebooks. Don't forget the compass box. Have you put away your pencil, your rubber, your ruler, the pack of color pencils? Good. Now your tiffin and water bottle. There is a place for everything, so put everything in its right place. Now what teacher said? Miss Nina said that when I will start telling you story and then school bell will ring, and after that you will run, you will just collect your all things and put it into the bag. Before that, before I start my storytelling, you keep your all things inside the bag. Okay, keep your eraser, keep your rubber, keep your ruler, keep your color pencils, keep your all books inside the bag, keep your notebooks in the bag, books in the bag, compass box in the bag. If you have tiffin bag, then keep your water bottle and tiffin properly in the bag. So teacher is telling to keep their bags properly, means keep everything in the bag properly, so that they should not leave anything after story, because once the story will get over, bell will ring, school will get over, and they will run outside of the class, right? Then what is told further? What happens further? The students are doing that. Okay, well, we were all done except Rahul and Anwar. सगळ्या मुलांनी काय केलं होतं, सगळ्यांनी त्यांची बॅग पॅक केलेली होती, बुक्स बॅगमध्ये ठेवलेले होते, नोटबुक्स बॅगमध्ये ठेवलेले होते, कंपास बॉक्स, पेन्सिल, एव्हरीथिंग. ओनली 2 स्टुडंट्स वर लेफ्ट. व्हॉट आर देअर नेम्स? राहुल अँड अनवर. They couldn't find their diaries, and Sheila, who couldn't find the cap of her pen, and Beena, who had lost the cup from her water bottle, and everyone was making such a noise trying to help. I thought we would never finish and Miss Nina would be too angry to tell us a story. आता एक स्टुडंट आहे, एक स्टुडंट काय म्हणतीये, we all were making too much noise. We were telling Anwar, we were telling Rahul, correct or not? Beena was there. Beena lost her cap of pen. Okay, there is one more girl. What is her name? Beena lost cup of water bottle. Upside one cup is there or not for water bottle? पाणी प्यायची जी बॉटल असते त्याला एक कप असतो. She lost that. Correct or not? Sheila is one girl in the classroom. She lost cap of her pen. She's searching that cap. Rahul and Anwar has not kept. They are not finding their diaries. We have our school diaries like that. They also have school diaries. They are not getting their diaries. Who is not getting diaries? Rahul and Anwar is not getting diaries. They are finding that diaries. Others are helping them. Sheila is not getting cap of her pen. Correct or not? Every pens are having cap. Correct or not? She is not getting cap of a pen. All are helping her. Half of the class is helping Sheila. Half of the class is helping Beena. Correct or not? To find out cup of the water bottle. Then Rahul and Anwar, they are not getting their diaries. Some students are helping them in finding diaries. And this all mess is very much horrible, and class has become noisy. Class madun खूप आवाज येतोय. Okay, and then teacher will get angry. So there is one student, she is telling that teacher will get angry and she will not teach us, she will not tell us any story. Then what happens now further? But at last it was all done. At last classroom was cleaned. The students made their clothes proper. They made their hair proper. They packed their bag. They were ready with their tiffin bag. Everything was done. Then what happened? And Miss Nina finally smiled broadly. She smiled broadly. Hasli. Miss Nina ni smile dili. Okay. And then what she said? Now that's my favorite class. What she said? Oh, very good. You have made my classroom very much clean. You have made your clothes proper, your ties proper, belts proper. You have packed your bags. You have packed your tiffin bag. I'm very much happy, and you all are my favorite class. All spike and span and as clean as a whistle. But is there time for a story? Oh yes, there is. Just a short little one. Short or long, Miss Nina told us a really funny story about the king and his clone. Only it ended too soon. and we were still laughing when the bell rang. So we just thanked Miss Nina and left. Once the cleaning of classroom was over, cleaning themselves was over, putting books and notebooks, compass box in the bag, that was over. After that, they made their tiffin bag ready, and Miss Nina told a short story. Okay, and what she said, one proverb is there: all spick and span and as clean as a whistle. What is meaning of this proverb? You have to find out and tell me. Okay. Anyways, I will tell you meaning of that proverb, but if you can find out, you can tell me. Okay. And she said that now everything is cleaned, our classroom is cleaned, everything is done properly, but is there any time for story? Then all students said yes, there is a time for story. And then Miss Nina told them a small story of the king and his clone. Clone म्हणजे काय? Clones, you might have seen clone. Another person is made same as yourself, that is called clone. Okay, and then she tells story, and that story was very funny, everyone enjoyed story, and after enjoying story, bell rang and students were still laughing on the story. ते हसत होते, story खूप interesting होती. Okay, and they were laughing, and then so we just thanked Miss Nina. Everyone said thank you Miss, the story was very funny, we enjoyed your story. Then what happened further, that we are going to see here. By the way, Miss Nina's idea about packing the bag early was really good. My mother said she would never find, she had never found my bag so neat before, and I hadn't left anything behind in school either. Now, on Monday when the week began, our class monitor said he had a good idea and he wanted us to listen. He said that we must practice straightening up the classroom and ourselves quickly, just within 5 minutes. That way we would have time for long stories on Fridays. So we drew up a 5 minutes drill. Here it is. First minute. Start from the last kid in every line. Collect and pass on all papers and rubbish to the kid in front. They go and put it in the waste paper basket. Now first minute, collecting all papers. Second minute, come out of your place and straighten your desk. Look at the lines on the floor to help you keep in just right. Kids on the ends tell you if the desk is out of line. बेंचेस लाईनमध्ये लावायच्या सेकंड मिनिटमध्ये. फर्स्ट मिनिटमध्ये क्लास सगळं क्लीन करायचं. मागच्या मुलांनी काय करायचं, पेपर्स जर पडले असेल तर त्यांनी पुढच्या बेंचच्या मुलाकडे द्यायचे. Then last second bench person will give second last, third last, fourth last, and like that first child will get what? First child will get papers, and that papers will be put into the basket. In this way 5 minutes, what practice they are going to do from Monday onwards in 5 minutes, that I will explain you in tomorrow's period, and then after that we will complete lesson and also complete our question answers of the lesson. Okay, thank you.